everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a recipe for chicken and vegetable pasta bake. A quick and easy meal that is full of flavor. Made in 30 minutes, this will feed a family of 4. Let's start with step 1, which is boiling the pasta. Add about 2 liters of water to a deep base pot, then add 1 teaspoon of rough salt. Add about 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, then allow this to simmer and boil. Then add in 2 cups of fusilli pasta and cook this until it is al dente, meaning halfway cooked. Step 2 is cooking the chicken with the vegetables. While the pasta is boiling, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter to a pot and allow this to melt. The butter adds a rich flavor to the dish, and remember, this is my way of making this, so be nice in the comments. Let me know how you make this dish. Add in 1 chopped onion and allow this to braise and brown. Browning the onions give it more flavor and more texture. Once the onions have browned, add in 500 grams of chicken fillet, either cubed or thinly sliced. Then add in 1 whole green chili, chopped. Also add in 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of rough salt, 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 2 teaspoons of crushed garlic, 1 410-gram can of creamed sweet corn, half a cup of frozen peppers, and here I have a mix of green, yellow, and red peppers that I had frozen. Then add in 250 ml tub of fresh cream and cook this until it thickens. Step 3 is adding the pasta to the chicken. Once the pasta has cooked al dente, we're going to drain and rinse it in cold water, then add this to the chicken with the thickened fresh cream. Switch off the stove once the pasta has been added. Then place this in a casserole dish as shown. Sprinkle a mix of mozzarella and Gouda cheese over the casserole. Then sprinkle some fresh dried parsley and you're ready to bake this. Step 4 is baking the pasta. Bake this for about 10 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius until the cheese melts completely. Remove from the oven and you're ready to serve. The leftovers can be placed in the fridge and eaten the next day as well. Delicious and scrumptious for lunch or supper or both. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and you can connect with me on my socials. Thanks for watching. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!